The complement cascade is part of human immunity system to fight against the pathogen using plasma components. There are three pathways complement can be activated on pathogen surfaces, namely the classical pathway as the first pathway to discover, alternative pathway as the second pathway to discover, and lastly the newest discovered mannose binding lectin pathway. The complement cascade is part of the innate and acquired immunity. First, the activated complement components is able to bind pathogens and activate opsonization. Secondly, fragments generated by complements act as chemoattractants to recruit phagocytes. Thirdly, the terminal components of complement is able to kill pathogen by creating pores in the membrane. First, let's go through the classical pathway of the complement cascade. There are two ways to activate classical pathway. C1q of the C1 complex can bind directly to the pathogen surface, or C1q of the C1 complex can bind to the antigen complexes of the pathogens. The binding causes a conformation change in C1 complex and activates C1r and C1s. C1s is a serine protease which cleaves C4 into C4a and C4b. C4a is a small fragment with the role of weak pro-inflammatory properties, while larger C4b binds covalently to pathogen surfaces. Next, C2 binds the attached C4b and is cleaved by activated C1s serine protease into C2a and C2b. C2a is a small fragment. When further cleaved into C2 kinase will cause extensive swelling. C4b combined with the larger fragment C2b to form C3 convertase. C3 convertase cleaves C3 complex into C3a and C3b. C3a initiates a local inflammatory response, while C3b combines with C4b, C2b to form C4b, C2b, C3b, which is a C5 convertase. The C5 convertase cleaves C5 complex into C5a, which is a peptide mediator for inflammation, and C5b, which initiates the late events of complement activation. C5b binding to the pathogen surfaces causes C6, C7, C8, and C9 to bind to form a membrane attack complex that creates pores in the cell membrane of pathogens and disrupts the ionic and osmotic balance and kills the pathogens.